Your buddy will be right back, I promise. No, not even a little bit. What's the matter, Buck? Brett, let me know if you need me over there. What? Are you not happy that Patch is out there? You're fine. You're fine. Hey, calm down. It's all good. What? I know. Are you trying to sound like a muffler? What's up, chickens? Ladies, happy Easter. Buck, what's the matter? What's the matter? You miss Patch? He's been gone for 2 seconds, bud. 2 seconds. Come on, honey, let's see a good gallop. Let's go. I got them both trained. All right, let's have him pick up a left lead. What you doing up there, babe? Time to swing. The supervisor says time to swing. All right. That's enough horsing around. My ladies, my lovely ladies. Buck, I'll bring Patch right back. All right, buddy? I know. I know. What's up, Patch? What's up, buddy? What are you doing? Huh? Oh, you're still filthy. You are still filthy. Look at all that dirt. Look at all that dirt. Yeah, that's not a happy donkey. Bring my buddy back.
He's pacing.
Oh, yeah.